Oh no, those groovy trousers that you thrifted online are simply too tight. Whatever will you do? I know, let's no-sew upsize them.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this quick and easy no-sew upsize, all you need are your too tight trousers and your trusty seam ripper. So your first step is to, as always, simply flip your trousers inside out. And then you will have a clear view as to why this is such a quick and easy no-sew upsize. Now, most modern garments have an interior seam, as you can see here, as well as the exterior overlocked finished edge of the fabric. So all you have to do is very carefully unpick this interior seam, and you'll be gaining, I think with this one, it's almost a full centimeter of extra space. And so because these seams are not just here on the outside of the leg, but also here on the inside of the legs, as well as along the bottom and gusset area of the trousers, that means I'll be gaining a full 3 centimeters of extra space in these too tight trousers, and that should make them fit a lot more comfortably. How totally quick, easy, and completely painless and totally awesomely no-sew was that upsize. I am absolutely thrilled with my result. Wow! These fantastic plaid pants are something I have been coveting forever. So when I spotted them online, I just had to get them. Unfortunately, they were just a touch too small, but problem solved with my trusty seam ripper. And yeah, now they fit absolutely wonderfully. I gained 3 to 4 centimeters of extra space, and yeah, woo! Now, I can do pretty much everything in them, and they're not going to split. For loads more upsizing, downsizing, and rockin' upcycling and refashionista tutorials, head on over to my Confessions of a Refashionista and have a leisurely scroll through my loads of tutorials and sustainable style posts and eco lifestyle conscious everything tips and tricks. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag.